The Prismarctyc project aims at better understanding the evolution of small permafrost watersheds in the Arctic and raising awareness of local communities about climate change. Our consortium is composed of scientists and stakeholders from France, Russia, USA, and Japan. The Arctic is warming twice as fast as the rest of the world. The region is highly sensitive to the climate change. Climate simulations predict continuing enhanced warming of these regions in the future. The Arctic is characterized by the widespread presence of permafrost. Permafrost covers 20 to 25% of the land surface in the northern hemisphere. Permafrost is defined as rock, sediment, or soil permanently frozen below 0 degrees Celsius. Permafrost is diverse and varies significantly in thickness, continuity, and geological settings across the Arctic. Permafrost contains different volume of ice, and in some places the volume of ice represents up to 80% by volume of the ground. In those areas, climate change is already leading to permafrost degradation, inducing ground subsidence and simulcast, forming lakes. It also affects the soil hydrology and the stability of the surface. Permafrost is thought to contain twice the amount of carbon of the current atmosphere. However, the storage of carbon is highly different from one region to another. Large amounts of carbon and other inorganic elements, previously trapped in permafrost, are released toward the aquatic system due to permafrost thaw. Then, microorganisms convert newly available organic carbon into greenhouse gases. Permafrost degradations impact land usability and the quality of the water resources. Local communities built on permafrost and traditional indigenous lifestyle are therefore affected. The project aims at understanding how the permafrost degradation alters differently the biochemistry of hydrosystems depending on the permafrost and soil settings across the Arctic. Our study will focus on small watersheds where localized and rapid permafrost degradation remain understudied. A better understanding of these impacts will contribute to the understanding of permafrost climate feedbacks. For this, we will study several key small watersheds in Siberia and Alaska with different permafrost characteristics, climate, vegetation, and degradation types. Yakutia, with several sites, will be the main study area where intensive fieldwork will be conducted in this continuous permafrost area. Western Siberia and Alaska will be used for cross-comparison. Our multidisciplinary approach includes geomorphology, social sciences, hydrogeology, microbiology, geochemistry, and soil sciences. The project will be organized in several work packages interacting with each other. Each work package focuses on a compartment and/or a pathway of the near-surface permafrost hydrosystem continuum. This work package seeks to address critical knowledge gaps regarding the permafrost state, structure, and degradation rate. This work package focuses on quantifying and characterizing the transfer of organic and inorganic matter from terrestrial to aquatic ecosystem. The main objective of this work package is to better understand the microbial processes leading to the production and mitigation of greenhouse gases, as well as to relate microbial community structure and function with gas fluxes. This work package is transversal to the project, and the objective is to document traditional knowledge on permafrost. The second objective of this work package is to develop multidisciplinary community base for Evenk and Sahara people, monitoring of permafrost with support from social and environmental scientists. This second transversal work package has the objective to support the teaching of climate changes in the Arctic in local communities as well as in other countries such as France, Russia, and Canada. The second objective of this work package is to develop outreach activities about climate change and the evolution of permafrost. The participation of stakeholders such as 4 primary schools in Yakutia and in France, the Association of Ecological Education, as well as the Office for Climate Education, is essential in these work packages. By linking together study from remote sensing and field studies of permafrost and hydro systems, as well as indigenous environmental knowledge, the project will produce several outcomes.